Great skills can stay hidden for years if they are never turned into income. In this video, we are sharing top 5 freelance business ideas for skill monetization. Number 1. Data dashboard creation for business owners. Many business owners have data but cannot understand it clearly. A freelancer can build custom dashboards using tools like Excel, Google Data Studio, or Power BI that show revenue, expenses, marketing performance, and sales trends in a visual way. Number 2. Personal brand content strategy consultant. Entrepreneurs and professionals want to build authority online but do not know what to post. A freelancer can design content plans, post ideas, audience strategy, and storytelling frameworks to help clients grow on platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, or X. Number 3. AI automation setup for small businesses. Many small companies want to automate repetitive tasks but do not know how. A freelancer can build simple AI workflows such as customer support chatbots, automated email replies, lead capture systems, appointment scheduling bots, or AI content assistants. Businesses save time and labor costs, so they are willing to pay good money for these setups. Number 4. Digital product packaging specialist. Coaches and creators often have knowledge but cannot convert it into sellable products. A freelancer can turn their expertise into structured digital products, such as online courses, templates, toolkits, or paid guides. Number 5. Local business digital presence manager. Many local businesses have poor online visibility. A freelancer can manage Google business profiles, customer reviews, local SEO listings, and simple social media updates to help these businesses attract more customers. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching this video.